Okay, welcome to everyone. Second topic in our biogas generation technology is the main topic. In this biogas generation topic, we have seen biogas a mixture contain 15 to 65% methane, 13 to 14% carbon dioxide, and the rest being the impurities which is H2S and some N2 gases can be produced from the decomposition of animal, plant and human waste. Biogas it is a clean but slow burning gas and usually has a calorific value between 5000 to 5500 kilocalorie per kg. It can be used directly in cooking, reducing the demand for firewood. Moreover, the material from which the biogas is produced retains its value as a fertilizer and can be returned to the soil. It is not only the extract of the cattle, but also the piggery waste as well as poultry roping are very effectively used for biogas generation. Biogas generation technology in these a few other materials through which biogas can be generated are algae, crop residue, which is agro waste, garbage, kitchen waste, paper waste, seawood, human waste, waste from sugar cane refinery, water heating, etc. Apart from the above mentioned animal waste, any cellulose organic material of animal or plant origin which is easily biodegradable is a potential raw material suitable for biogas production. Biogas is produced by digestion. Digestion is the biological process that occurs in the absence of oxygen and in the presence of anaerobic organism at ambient pressures and temperature of 35 to 70% degrees Celsius. The container in which this digestion takes place, known as the digester, anaerobic digestion in this biogas technology is concerned to microorganisms. These are living which are microscopic in size and are invisible to unaided eyes. These are different types of microorganisms. They are called bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. Bacteria again can be classified into two types: beneficial bacteria and harmful bacteria. Compost making production of biogas, vinegar extracts are example of beneficial bacteria. Bacteria causing cholera, typhoid are example of harmful bacteria. This type of bacteria which causes disease both in animal and human being is called a pathogens. Bacteria can be divided into two major groups based on their oxygen requirement. Those which grows in presence of oxygen are called aerobic bacteria, while the other grow in absence of gaseous oxygen are called anaerobic bacteria. When organic matter undergoes fermentation, which means process of chemical change in organic matter brought about by living organism through anaerobic digestion, gas is generated. This gas is known as biogas. Biogas is generated through fermentation or digestion of various waste by a variety of anaerobic and facultative organisms. Facultative bacteria are capable of growing both in presence and absence of air or oxygen. Anaerobic and aerobic fermentation can be used to decompose organic matter. Normally, aerobic fermentation produced CO2, NH3 means ammonia, and small amount of other gases along with decomposed mass and evolution of heat. Anaerobic fermentation produced CO2, CH4, S2, and traces of other gases along with the decomposed mass. Anaerobic fermentation is used when the main aim is to render the material hygienic and to recover the plant nutrient for reuse in the fields. The residue is carbon, nitrogen, phosphate, and calcium, and other nutrients. In a biogas plant, the main aim is to generate methane, and hence anaerobic digestion is used. Here, the complex organic molecule is breakdown to sugar, alcohol, amino acid by acid producing bacteria. These products are then used to produce methane by another category of bacteria. Let's see uses of biogas one by one. The biogas technology offer an appropriate techniques to convert non-conventional energy into conventional energy. The gas thus produced is a net combustible and pollution free fuel. The technology is simple and appropriate for both rural and urban areas. The plant can be maintained and operated by the housewife with little training educations. Let's see use of biogas cooking fuel for lightning, fuel for motive power to replace by diesel oil, enrich organic manure of agriculture and aquaculture, manure for mushroom growing, manure for seed coating, used to light to trap insect at the farm, to treating human extract and for pollution control. The slurry, which is byproducts used to improve the soil retention capacity and as organic manure.